Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the factorization method. Why I am directly start this practice it because this method already you learn in the 7th 8th standard. 8th standard definitely it was there. Okay, it is there, sorry. So now find the factor of the given polynomial. How to find out? Directly I am going to explain by the example. A simple example is in front of you, 2x square plus x minus of 1. Now what we are doing? We are taking the coefficient of x square multiplied by the constant term. Now what is there? 2 is the coefficient of x square and minus 1 is the constant term. If its multiplication is minus 2. Now we have to factor the middle term in such a way that we have to factorize the middle term in such a way that their multiplication should be minus 2 and their addition should be 1. Their multiplication should be minus 2 and addition should be 1. Now observe this. What we want? Minus 2 as a multiplication. Factor this minus 2 in such a way that their addition should be 1. So minus 2 means 2 into minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. And 2 plus minus 1 is 1. And therefore the factor of this is 2 and minus 1. So instead of x, what we have to write? 2x square plus 2x minus 1, 2 in 1. Okay, 2 and minus 1. So 2x minus 1, that is x only. If you are calculating, you will get again x only, minus 1. Now divide this 4 term into two terms. So from these first two terms, 2x is the common, x plus 1 is a remaining. From these two terms, 2x is common. What remain? X, and second term plus 1. And in the next, minus 1 is the common. What remain? X plus 1. Means x plus 1 is a common term and 2x minus 1 is there. Means when you are solving this multiplication, what you will get? When you are solving this multiplication, you will get the question. Okay, the factors should be in such a way that when you are resolving it, you will get the first step. Okay, understood? Now in the second question, 2m square plus of 5m minus of 3. So 2m square plus of 6m minus of m minus of 3. Now listen, what we are doing here? Minus 3 and 2. So what is the multiplication there? Minus 6. So factorize this minus 6 in such a way that their addition should be 5. Okay, so and multiplication should be minus of 6. So 2m square plus of 6m minus of m minus of 3. 5 you have to factorize 6 and minus 1 because 6m minus 1m is 5m. Now similar way, first two term, last two term. What is the common in between first two term? 2m. What remain? M plus 3. What is common between last two terms? Minus 1. What is the remain in the bracket? M plus 3. Always remember that when you are factorizing, this bracket should be same. Take a common in such a way that the bracket should be same and then you will get the answer. Now next, this is also very simple. See, 12x square plus of 16 1x plus of 77. So 12x square plus of 28x. How to factorize? First coefficient of x square and the constant term multiplication. Factorize in such a way that the middle term should be 61, means addition should be 61. The number, factorized number in such a way that their addition should be 61. Very simple. Now see, all is the plus sign. Now 12 into 77. If directly not coming, then prime factorization method you have to use. Now what is the 12? 4 3s are. What is 77? 11 7s are. Now take the number in such a way that their addition should be 61. Okay, so it is 7 4s are and 11 3s are. So 28 and 33. If you are adding this, you will get the 61. And if you are multiplying this, you will get the 12 into 77. That is 924. Now right? Because here sign problem is not there because all terms are positive. 12x square, what is the 61x? 61x is 28x and 33x. So 28x and 33x plus of 77. Write this number in such a way that you will take a common properly, because these two brackets should be same. Now 12x square plus of 28x plus of 33x plus of 77. Now what is the common in between both? 4x. So write down in the bracket 3x plus of 7. Here 4 is okay, this 4 is not there, so by mistake I think 4. So now 11 is the common, 3x plus of 7. Now 3x plus of 7 is 3x plus of 7 is common, and what remain in the next bracket? The second bracket is 4x plus of 11. Now next question, 3y square minus of 2y minus of 1. What is the y square coefficient? 3. And what is the constant term? Minus 1. So multiplication should be minus 3 and addition should be minus of 2. Okay. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Divide the factor in such a way that their addition should be minus 2 and their multiplication should be minus of 3. So, and this always write before factorize. In this way write the factorization and then solve in a question. Why? Because it will not be a mistake then. Okay, mistake will not happen. So 3y square, what is minus 2y? Minus of 3y and plus of y. Minus 3y and plus y. So minus 3y plus y minus of 1 is common is 3y in bracket y minus 1 plus 1 is common minus y minus 1. So in first bracket y minus 1 common in both the term, and the remaining is 3y plus 1. Now next is question number 5. Root 3 into 2 plus of 4x plus of root 3. So what is the, no, it is root 3x square. Root 3x square plus of 4x plus of root 3. So what is the coefficient of x square? Root 3. So root 3 into constant term is root 3. So 3 is the multiplication. We want the 3 as a multiplication and we want the addition should be 4. So 3 ones are. Therefore root 3 into x square plus of 3x plus x plus of root 3. So what is the common in between both? Root 3x. So what remain? X plus root 3. 1 is common. Always remember when you are taking these two terms and last two terms, first two terms and last two terms you have to consider. So this is the common and this bracket should be same. So root x plus root 3 in one bracket and root 3x plus 1 in another bracket. So in this way you have to solve. The next method is 12x square minus of 3x plus of 4. So 12x square minus of 2x. What is, it is 12, no, I think it is 1 by 2. 1 upon 2, okay, sorry. This is 1 by 2, okay. Now 1 by 2x square minus of 3x plus of 4. So 1 by 2x square minus of 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x square multiplied by constant term is 4. So 2 is the multiplication. We want 2 as a multiplication and we want addition should be minus of 3. So factorize 2 in such a way that their addition should be minus 3. Minus 2 minus 2. Because when you are taking both the minus minus sign, that multiplication should be 2 but their addition is minus 3. And then calculate in such a way. So 1 by 2 x square minus of 2x minus of x plus of 4, because minus 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 x square minus of 2 x, this again 1 x 1 2 is a extra, na? So this is cancel out. So typing mistake it is. So 2x minus of x plus 4. By taking a common 1 by 2x in one bracket, x minus 4 remain. and minus 1 in bracket, x minus 4 remain. If you are getting that this one step is hard, you can solve in this way also. But just remember, please, sorry students, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 x square minus of 3x plus of 4 is equal to 1 by 2 x square minus of 6x. By simply multiplying this equation by 2, you will get this equation. Okay, x square minus of 6x plus of 8. Just multiplying 2 to the equation you will get. So in this way also you can solve. Here coefficient of x square is 1 and 8 is a constant term. Sorry. And therefore factor should be this one. Middle term is minus 6. So you will get minus 4 into minus 2 is 6. So students, all these questions you have to mention in your notebook. Tomorrow I will explain you the second question from this exercise. Okay, if doubts is there, you can ask me in a session time by call or by message.